Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ahmed and I love helping Mama. Let's see how I do it.
One morning, Mama carries a big basket of laundry across the room.
This is a little heavy.
Ahmed sits nearby, playing with his toy car. He notices Mama struggling.
Should I help or just keep playing?
Ahmed remembers Mama's words about helping others, being a good deed loved by Allah.
Yes. I should help Mama.
Ahmed quickly gets up and runs to help Mama.
Here, Mama. I'll help you.
MashaAllah, Ahmed. Helping makes you strong and kind.
Together, they carry the basket and set it down safely.
Helping others makes Allah happy. And it makes us happy too.
Subscribe to the channel. See you at Pixel Bright Studios.